Coffee with my miracle man time. Let's talk about that AI revolution I mentioned a while ago, and with Onpassive. Onpassive is an online business platform that offers various tools and services to help individuals and businesses succeed in the digital world. Here are a few reasons why some people choose to join Onpassive. Number one is the comprehensive platform. Onpassive provides a wide range of tools and solutions, including marketing automation, website creation, lead generation, and more. It aims to simplify and streamline the process of establishing and running an online business. Number two, passive income potential. Onpassive's compensation plan offers the opportunity to earn passive income through a global network of members. As an affiliate, you can potentially earn recurring commissions based on the sales generated by your team. Number three, experience leadership. Onpassive is led by a team of experienced professionals with a track record in the industry. The founder, Ash Mufara, has a background in technology and has been involved in successful ventures in the past. Number four, innovative technology. Onpassive emphasizes the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation to enhance business operations. Their AI-powered tools and systems aim to provide efficient and effective solutions to online entrepreneurs. Number five, the supported community. Onpassive strives to create a supportive community where members can collaborate, learn from each other, and receive guidance from the company's resources. This sense of community can be beneficial for networking and professional growth. Ultimately, the decision to join Onpassive or any other platform should be based on careful consideration of your personal goals, preferences, and research into the company and the offerings. It's important to evaluate whether the platform aligns with your aspirations and whether you believe in its potential for success. I think Onpassive will succeed. They have a lot going for them. We're definitely in it to win You've made it this far. I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And there's another one coming up. And if you would be so kind as to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video or go live, and be much appreciated.